welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this bomb twist out. I actually did this twist out, did you guess, from basically the title of this video and also the cap on my head that it was for graduation. I'll leave photos throughout the video of the braid out that I actually did, and yeah, let's get into it. So I usually use these two products, but my sister mixed this with something else. I don't know, it smells a little minty. Interesting. Instead, I'm gonna be using my Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioning Cream. Now my hair is slightly damp, which is good. Gonna leave the part in the middle. And I'm gonna do small braids. I don't want them to be too big. Not too big, but not too small at the same time. I'm gonna put a little, not too much. I'm gonna show you. Because I don't need for tomorrow to come and they are still wet. So this is basically how I get the best without drenching my hair with water. The last time I did this, I'm going to show you guys pictures, but I actually did this on dry hair, and so it dried a lot faster. I'm just going to be braiding it. I don't know if you can see, but my hair is not drenched. It's not soaked with water, you know, almost looks dry. And that's exactly how it needs to be. I like a lot of definition in the front versus in the back. I can do them a little bigger, but I love definition in the front. So I'll keep going. Show you guys just one more and then I'll just speed it up. I'm not taking too much product again. And you don't have to use these exact products, but any creamy product that you have that leaves your hair nice and moisturized, you can use along with your foam. Alright, so we are done. And I'll say that these already feel somewhat, well, these on the hair already feel somewhat dry. I just finished these up. But what I'm gonna do, because these would actually be ready in a few hours. I don't think it wouldn't even take that long to dry, but it would be ready in a few hours. But however, I have something special that I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm finally gonna take my graduation photos. So I'm taking a little bit of my cream and just going over my hair. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so one by one we are going to take these out, and I have to use a rat tail comb because I try my best not to disrupt the pattern. You know, we don't want that frizz. Not right away. Should probably show you what's going on. And if you guys want to see how I did my makeup, I will leave the link down below. So go and check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. As you can see, all we have is definition. You know, people usually strip them and really put the Beauty comb in and let it fluff up and whatnot. But over here in the Bahamas, it's humid, okay? So your hair is gonna start out defined, and as the time goes by, it's gonna pop up eventually. So me, I don't really do much. I don't split them much, especially because the fact that I'm gonna have a hat on my head when I take these photos. I really like my braid outs and twist outs to last for a while. So maybe like in the last couple of days, that's when I really would start to strip my hair. But for the most part, I like them to be defined at first, and then because they last longer. Yeah. Oh, and if you love the makeup, then give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, we've reached the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want me to try out any other natural hairstyles, leave it down in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, beauties.